Good afternoon, and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 2020 17-foot Boston whaler. We'll go over some of the options, some of the notable features. She's sitting on a galvanized trailer with a swing-away tongue. We brought this boat in with 115 horse Mercury outboard, 4-stroke. Does have the live well under the seat. This particular boat does have the bimini top, Raymarine GPS, Fusion stereo options, tackle storage in the side, cooler for the front. We did option this boat with cushions, and the split bow rail. Rod holders in front of the console, cushion to lean against. Rod holders in the transom, transducer, swing away boarding ladder, storage under the console. There are covers for this boat. They're also in blue. Once again, this is our 2020 17-foot Boston whaler in Montauk. Thank you.